Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading Channel. This is Joe, your fellow Forex trader. Some people have been asking me how to run the same broker MT4 or MT5 on VPS without having any issue. You can run more than one MT4 or MT5 of the same broker on a single VPS. Just need to know how to install this. As you can see right now, I have two MT4 from FBS running on my VPS already. I have two running, so if I want to add more to it right now, I will show you how to do that. So it is simple and you can always do it, but make sure you downloaded the MT4 setup on your desktop. Then you will run it. For the first time you run it the same way, but the second time you have to change something. So let me show you how to do this in a simple way without having any issue. Make sure you have your FBS setup. I'm using FBS for a sample for this particular video. So if you want to run 2 or 3 or more or 5 FBS on a single VPS virtual private server, then this is how to do it. Number one thing you have to do, if you are running for the first time, just run it directly the way you will run it on your laptop. But if you want to run for the second time, make sure you change it. For instance, you can see on my screenshot that I have FBS 4A. I rename it. Then the second one is FBS Trader 4B. So if I want to do this one right now, the third one, let me just run it right now. You will go to other setting. Once you double click on it, then this time around, where do you want this particular one to be? It's still going to be other local disk C drive, but you can create another another folder for it, other program file. So I want to create another folder, so you can call it any name you want. Just make a new folder. Then let me call this FBS 3. And once you do that, just double click on it. Here is it. I have it right now. Just click on it and make sure it's highlighted. Then you can click OK. So the installation folder has been changed to program file, this particular FBS 3. And if you want, you can change this name to either FBS 4.3, something like that. And once you've done that, just click next and allow it to run. Now we are done. Congratulations, we are waiting for you. Just click finish. If you look at my screen right now, you will see that we have another FBS Trader 4. So just wait for it. Let it come now. Good, awesome. So we have another one right now. Under this, you can see that I have 3 FBS running right now on single VPS. So you can select if it is read your FBS, your server, just select anyone. Then you log in. FBS real one, just select anyone. You have all the details. Either it's FBS 10, read 10 demo when you open account with them. So just click once you select anyone, or the one you are given, not just anyone. If it is re-8, make sure you select re-8. If it is 9, select FBS re-9. Just select what they gave you when you open account with any broker, and click next. So now you can enter the detail of the third account that you want to run on your VPS. That's how to do that. Once you do that, then you can load your EA or anything you want to do with this new account, either to test a new EA, either demo or live account. You can log in with the details, and once you are done, just click finish, and everything will be okay. So this is how to run multiple FBS or single broker on your VPS. If it is single broker and you want to run like 3, 4, 5, as many as you want, just make sure you follow this step and use it. Now if you want to run the fourth one, you have to change this particular number. Also change the number. You can call it your name, any name you want to use, or you call it either 4C, and that's okay. Once you do that, once you run the next one, make sure you create folder for it. Also, if there's anything you miss, just make sure you pause the video and watch it again and see, make sure you get it correctly. So this is how to run multiple MT4 from the same broker on a single VPS. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.